Hey everyone, today we're showcasing 10 incredible classic cars, each with its own unique charm and story. From the sleek lines of a 1963 Jaguar Mark X to the muscle power of a 1972 Mercury Cougar XR-7, we've got something for every car lover out there. So buckle up and join us as we explore these amazing finds that are currently up for grabs. Number 1. Let's explore this 1963 Jaguar Mark X, listed for $10,000 in Pflugerville, Texas. This classic car has been driven 19,445 miles and features an automatic transmission with a striking yellow exterior and off-white interior. The Jaguar is rust-free and has always been garage-kept. Although it is not currently running due to a power steering pump gasket failure, it can be brought back to life with some carburetor cleaning. Notably, the original engine has been replaced with a Chevy 350 small block and TH400 automatic transmission. Several upgrades have been completed, including an engine top-end rebuild, brake work, and new tires. However, it still needs a power steering pump rebuild and weather stripping replacement. Number 2. Next up is the 1965 Chevrolet Corvair, priced at $3,000 and listed in Dripping Springs, Texas. This car features a manual transmission with a yellow exterior and black interior. The Corvair Monza has a clean title and is in running and driving condition. Recent maintenance includes new plugs, wires, rotor, and brake components. The seller is open to trades, especially for sports cars, Jeeps, and wagons. Number 3. Now let's look at the 1968 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham, listed for $5,000 in Cedar Creek, Texas. This gold beauty has been driven 59,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. The body is solid with minimal rust and it comes equipped with AC. Although it runs and drives, it's considered a great project car. Number 4. Up next is the 1967 Pontiac Grand Prix, priced at $7,500 and listed in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. With 97,193 miles on the clock, this car has an automatic transmission and a black exterior and interior. It runs and drives, but needs brake work, as the brakes need to be bled. The car features a 400 cubic inch Pontiac engine, an Edelbrock carb, and many new parts. The car was originally blue, but has been repainted black. Number 5. Here we have the 1977 Ford Maverick, listed for $4,500 in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. This brown car has had 2 owners and features an automatic transmission. It runs fine but has been sitting for a while. Number 6. Next is the 1977 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme SL Coupe, 2-door, listed for $2,000 in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. This white car with a gray interior has been driven 63,189 miles. It's a 1-owner vehicle with a 350 rocket engine. While it has some rust and needs a radiator, it is not locked and will turn over. Number 7. Now let's check out the 1978 Jaguar XJ sedan 4-door, listed for $4,500 in Osseo, Minneapolis. This red sedan has an automatic transmission and a brown interior. The exact mileage is not known, but it's in good condition. Number 8. Here is the 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, listed for $6,000 in Carmichael, California. This gray manual transmission car has had 2 owners. It features a 6-cylinder engine and has been maintained well with new ignition switch, gas tank, carburetor, brakes, and clutch. The car needs to be towed as it is registered as non-operational. Number 9. Next is the 1963 Mercury Meteor, listed for $8,000 in Citrus Heights, California. This black coupe with an automatic transmission features a 260 V8 engine. The car has a salvage title but runs and drives. Number 10. Finally, we have the 1972 Mercury Cougar XR-7 Coupe 2-door, listed for $4,000 in Salt Lake City, Utah. With 35,876 miles, this black car has an automatic transmission. It needs carburetor work to get running, but features airbag shocks, a sound system, and many new parts. The seller is asking $4,000 or best offer, with no trades considered.